Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very exciting video. I got my early birthday present today and I am just so excited to show you what it is. I've been wanting this thing for about 4 years now and I just never came around to getting it, but then I found it at my local comic book shop and oh my god, I had to have it. And what I'm talking about right now is the life-size Infinity Gauntlet from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And to be a little bit more specific, this is from the Avengers Infinity War movie, one of my absolute favorite Marvel movies of all time and easily in my top 3. I already know as soon as I hold this thing I'm gonna feel so powerful, and if you guys didn't already know, I am a huge Marvel fan. I collect the comic books, the action figures, the movie posters, the movie props, pretty much anything at this point, and this was on the top of my list. This is a grail. This is something that I've wanted for 4 years like I was saying, and wow, I just can't believe I actually own this thing right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. The box is just absolutely massive. This is going to be a fun unboxing, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. And I wasn't joking when I said the box was huge, because look at this thing. This is a monster of a box. It takes 2 people just to move this thing, so I got my brother to help me bring it out of the comic book shop and put it into the car. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. So here we go. On the styrofoam it says Avengers Infinity War Infinity Gauntlet life-size collectible. Alright, here we go. I've been waiting 4 years for this moment. Alright, let me just rotate this for you guys so you can see what's inside of the box here. So we've got the life-size Infinity Gauntlet. Right away, I gotta say the quality looks amazing on this thing. Let's get the display stand out first. So it's all like decently heavy. Alright, so here's the display stand. It says Avengers Infinity War, which is the movie where the gauntlet is from. We've got a USB connector right here because yes, the gauntlet does light up. And this thing is actually pretty heavy. Like I would go ahead and say this is maybe like 25, 30 pounds. Really, really cool display stand. So let's put this over to the side for now. You get an instruction manual as well and 2 USB cords to power this thing up. It doesn't come with the wall adapter, but I have a bunch of them laying around from all of my Apple products, so that shouldn't be an issue. But now, on to the gauntlet itself. This thing is massive. Okay, so I had to move the box because it was just too big and it was taking up too much of the shot. But we do have the gauntlet right here, and this thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Like, this thing is probably almost half the size of my body. This thing is absolutely massive. The detail on it is great. It's really shiny and the infinity stones look really good too. I just can't wait to see what it looks like all lit up. But just look at all of the detail and craftsmanship that went into this collectible. Hot Toys definitely knocked it out of the park, and I'm so happy to add this to my movie prop collection. Unfortunately, the fingers don't move, so you can't wear it as like an actual Infinity Gauntlet. There is a little handle in here though, so you can hold it. You just can't move the fingers or anything. But I gotta say, this thing is heavy. Like, oh my god. Holy smokes. You can almost do like some hammer curls with this thing. If you do want to use an Infinity Gauntlet for some kind of cosplay or something, then I definitely recommend this one, which is the Marvel Legends Infinity Gauntlet. It is a lot cheaper and you can move around the fingers and everything. But back to my prized possession here, the next thing that I want to talk about is the Infinity Stones. So the whole way that this thing works is actually really interesting. Hey Daisy, what's this? What's this, buddy? Come here. There's a circuit board in here that connects to all of the different stones and helps them to light up. And something else that's cool about the stones is there's actually magnets holding them in place, so they are detachable. And you can see the wire work right there that connects to the circuit board that makes them light up. It's a really intricate design, and I really appreciate that because it's not just a toy. This is the real deal, and they went all out with this thing. So let's go ahead and put this on the display stand, test out the lights, and see this thing in all of its glory. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on for the first time ever. Look at that, it lights up and everything. It looks so cool. There's also a glowing effect, which is pretty cool because each individual gem just kind of flickers. I just love the detail that went into this collectible. Alright, now that we've got the unboxing part of the video done, it's now time for all of the nitty-gritty details. So the Infinity Gauntlet alone stands 68 centimeters tall, and if you factor in the display stand, then it towers at 75 centimeters tall. It's got 2 LED light-up functions, which we just tested out, one solid light effect, and then the other one is a glowing one, which Hot Toys is calling a breathing effect. The Gauntlet is made out of polystone and is painted with a multi-layered metallic finish. It's also got a weathering effect, which makes it look like it's been used, and I'm glad that they added this because otherwise it would look too shiny and new. The weathering definitely adds some character and enhances the Gauntlet overall. Also, the display stand has the Avengers Infinity War logo directly under the Gauntlet, and I really like how Hot Toys went for simplicity with their display stand. They could have done something really crazy with this, but I'm glad they just stuck to the basics, because in my opinion, I think it looks perfect. This is such an incredible piece and easily my favorite out of my entire Marvel collection, and I am just so glad I finally was able to find this at a reasonable price, because there's a lot of people selling these on eBay right now for like 4,000 plus Canadian dollars, which is absolutely insane, and you're basically snapping away your bank account at that point. So I'm really happy that I found it for a retail price at my local comic book shop, and I am very happy with the purchase, and it's a bit sentimental too because it's technically a birthday gift. So whenever I think about my 24th birthday now, I'll just think of a 7-foot purple alien holding a metal glove with a bunch of stones on it, and I couldn't be happier. This is a Marvel fan's dream item, and I am just so grateful to own it now. So guys, that's it for my unboxing and review of the Hot Toys life-size Infinity Gauntlet. This thing means a lot to me because obviously I'm a huge fan of the superheroes, but I'm also a huge fan of film, and what Marvel Studios has done is just absolutely mind-blowing. Over 20 movies leading up to this major event with the superhero showdown with Thanos. I still can't believe it happened, like over 20 movies leading up to that fight. Crazy stuff, and I'm just so glad to own this piece of memorabilia. Leave a comment down below of what you guys thought about the Infinity Gauntlet, and if you do want to buy one for yourself, I definitely recommend to go to a local shop. People online are reselling this thing for crazy amounts of money, and please don't pay, 3 or 4 times the retail price for this, because it can get pretty pricey, so just keep your eyes peeled and hopefully a good deal comes around. Other than that, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you again for watching. If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, before we end the video, I just want to say I'm going to be making a Marvel collection video very soon, so I'll be showcasing like everything that I have, like the helmets, the comic books, the Funko Pops, the movie props, all that good stuff. So if you're a big Marvel fan, make sure you stay tuned for that one. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.